Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect and pair Vizio Soundbar to Onn Roku TV, HDMI ARC Optical and Bluetooth. So fix one is make the physical connection. Locate the HDMI ARC port on your Onn Roku TV, usually labeled HDMI 1 and 3. So second one is plug one end of the HDMI cable into the TV's HDMI ARC port. So then connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on your Vizio Soundbar. Second one is turn on CEC control for Roku TV. Turn on both the Roku TV and Vizio Soundbar. Press the home button on the Roku remote to access the main menu. Navigate to setting, then system, then control other devices. Enable system audio control and one touch play for automatic soundbar operation with the TV. Third fix is configure Roku audio setting. Navigate to the system menu and select audio. Set the audio output or speaker to ARC. Then under digital for audio format, ensure it is set to auto or pass through. This configuration helps prevent any audio delay. Thanks for watching.